Ready to level up your living room game? Today, we're delving into a world of sofa and furniture ideas that will redefine the heart of your home. From cozy sectionals to the timeless charm of Chesterfield sofas, we've curated a collection that caters to every taste and lifestyle. Say goodbye to mundane seating and hello to a living room that's as unique as you are. Whether you're into mid-century modern vibes or embracing the multifunctional revolution, we've got the inspiration you need to transform your space. Stick around for a journey through the art of living room design. Don't just sit back, hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on a furniture adventure together. Your dream living room is just a click away.
Designing a living room with the right sofa set and furniture can create a welcoming and aesthetically pleasing space. Here are some ideas and tips to help you plan your living room layout. Sofa set ideas. Sectional sofa. Great for large living rooms, provides ample seating and a cozy, intimate feel. Choose a neutral color for versatility or a bold color for a statement piece. Chesterfield sofa. Add a touch of elegance and traditional style. Typically features tufted upholstery and rolled arms. Work well in both modern and classic interiors. Mid-century modern sofa. Clean lines and simple shapes, tapered legs and a minimalist design, ideal for a contemporary or retro-themed living room. Sleeper sofa. Practical for homes with limited space, provides an extra sleeping option for guests